and I can say this is Switzerland of Asia. The accommodation was terrific. It was good. The food marvelous. The food marvelous. The people are very friendly. Can actually easily talk to them even though they are strangers. The transportation, great. Wakas was great. Yeah. The tourist guide, we have Sunny, who's very cheerful, very helpful, very friendly. So we will always remember you, Sunny, whenever we went back to Malaysia. And I think as a whole, this trip was tremendous. It's actually, we cannot find any other place in the world. Great.